Breaker 23. So in this video, we're going to do a quick unboxing. I have another package sent to me from BluDento. And let's open her up and see what we've got. And we'll just open her up this way. I finally did it right for once. All right. Okay. So, back in about mid-December, I believe it was, I was sent the newest of new BluDento Bluetooth receivers. This is the BluDento B2. Now, if you've been watching this channel for any length of time, you'll know that I love my BluDento. I have a BluDento BLT HD, an extremely awesome sounding device, factory sealed. And when I was contacted to take a look at the B2, I was extremely excited. And like I said, I got that in about mid-December, and it sounded awesome. It was just a beautiful sounding piece of gear. However, it had a glitch to it that I discovered. And I got a hold of Michael over at BluDento, and they started working on that, and I guess found not only that glitch, but possibly something else. I won't get into too much of that in this particular video. I'll work on that or get into that a little bit more on the review video. So let's take a look and see what we have here in the back. We have USB-C input, and I really like the USB-C connection over the old school one. We have our antenna connection here. We have optical out, coaxial out, and analog left and right out. Generally, red is right, white is left, but that's okay. Just a color thing. However, that is generally that is the standard, honestly. It is an aluminum enclosure with like a hard plastic end cap on the front and back. As with the other ones, these are nice stuff. Honestly, you don't need the boutique style on there. This will work fine. And then we have a visual on this new unit. So we have a little screen here, and this will give us some pertinent information when it's fired up. We're going to take a look at this. I'll put it through its paces, and stay tuned for that video. Let me see if the prototype is any different. Prototype is the one on the bottom. No, it's not. Great. Cool. I really, really liked the prototype. This sounded absolutely awesome. So I'm sure now that all the, I would imagine, software has been taken care of, that one is going to perform like no other. So let's see. Real quick, I'll just go over what was in it. And we have a pretty heavy-duty corded USB-C connector, a 3.5 millimeter male to female RCA to RCAs, probably around the 3 foot, 2.5 to 3 foot length. Have the antenna, nice antenna. And it's the proper antenna. This is the male end right here. It's the one I like. And then, of course, a little optical cable as well. And the Quick Start user's manual, which is a fairly in-depth. I don't think they call it Quick Start, but it's a fairly in-depth manual. And yeah, I like it. The only thing that doesn't come in here is the coaxial cable, the little RCA for coaxial output, but really, I haven't seen anything come with that cable in forever. So anyway, all right, so stay tuned. In a few days, this isn't going to take long. I just want to make, because I've already pretty much got it down with this one, with a prototype. I just want to make sure everything's cool here. And I had a little custom order to this, so we'll see if that went through as well. So anyway, stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Please leave questions or comments down below. And if you haven't already subscribed, please hit subscribe and hit that notification bell so you do not miss this review. Thanks for watching.